Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete Microsoft Word assignment number 2 in Google Docs. So for those of you that are using a Chromebook or otherwise don't have access to Microsoft Word, this assignment can be done in Google Docs. So let's head over to Google Docs. This assignment is going to cover images, text boxes, and page borders. Okay. This is what we are going to create, something kind of like this. We're going to create an image collage, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it. Nope. All right. So this is what we're going to create here in Google Docs. It's going to be a vacation collage of somewhere that you want to go. Okay. All right. So we're going to be creating a picture collage. These things are specific. This that I highlighted is specific to Microsoft Word, although there are definitely ways to do it in Google Docs. It's just going to be a little different, so bear with me here. Okay. Let's head over to our digital literacy folder in Google Drive. I'll give you guys a second to get there. Feel free to pause the video at any time, and if you need to work on these steps. Okay. All right, hopefully you guys are here in the digital literacy folder. We're going to go ahead and click on New over here, and we're going to click on Google Docs. Okay. All right, the first thing I want to do, I want to name this. Okay, so I'm going to click up here in Untitled Document. I'm going to name it Word 2 and first name, last name. Okay. All right, first name, last name. Okay, now if you'll notice, this is longer, or this is wider than it is long. Okay, we got to flip the page. Remember we talked about page orientation, so this is portrait. Okay, this is landscape. Let's flip it like this. Okay, this is portrait, this is landscape. We're going to flip this sideways here, basically. So let's go to page orientation is what we're looking for. All right, and let's go to File, and then come down here, Page Setup. File and Page Setup. All right, in this box, let's go ahead and click on Landscape. So it's going to be wider than it is long. And let's click OK. And you see these left margin and right margin. When I created this assignment, I went right to the edge, with these blue triangles. I went right to the edge. So I'm going to do that on this one. I'm going to go right to the edge like this. Okay. Go to where it says 0.00 in the black box, and on this side it's going to say 11.0. Okay. So now we're right there at the edge, and let's do it right here as well. On the vertical axis. So let's just go all the way down there. There we go. Okay, now we're using our entire page. All right, next thing, let's check here. On this, the Google Doc version, we're going to skip the page border. Okay, so we're going to go right to, we're going to color the background here. It's been a while since I've done this assignment in Google Docs, so let's go to Format, and let's go to Insert, let's go to Image, let's search the web. Let's find our first image here. Think of a place where you want to go, and we're gonna add 5 images into the document here. 5 images, 5 different images of one place that you want to go. So not 5 different places, but one place. So I'm going to go to Alaska. Okay. And this one, that one looks pretty cool. So I'm going to click on that one. And I got to move my face out of the way. Click on insert. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm going to zoom out here. I'm going to zoom to 50% so we can see the entire page, and I'm going to just make it bigger so it covers the entire white area. There we go. I'm going to do something like that right there. And you can move it around. There we go. Actually, I'm going to just make it a little smaller here so I can put my title. I'm going to put my title up here. Okay. All right, that looks nice. I'm going to pause the video. You guys go ahead and look for an image of a place that you want to go. And then when you get back, we're going to add some more in here. So I'm going to put, it's going to be an image collage, so there's going to be multiple images on top of each other, kind of like this. Okay. All right. Okay. Hopefully you've paused the video and you've gone through that. I'm going to switch my face over to that side right there. And I'm going to go to insert, I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to find some others here. I want to, let's see here. I don't know why there's a bunch of pictures of jets, like fighter jets. I think that's cool, but I don't know if that has to do with Alaska. Huh. All right. I just want nice like scenery photos here, so I'm going to do this one. There it is. See these little these options right here? Let's go ahead and click on some of those, then we can move it around. It's going to be on top of it, so I'm going to just move it like this. I'm going to just put it on top. Oh, be careful not to do that. Let's see here. Guys, pause the video for a second. I'll pause it, and then I'm going to just fix this real quick. Okay. Okay, guys. Here's what you probably want to do. It gets a little finicky using all these images, but you go ahead and just kind of like puzzle pieces, just kind of fit them together. We're going to create a collage. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna show you what that looks like, but you guys should know how to insert images into, so go to insert image, search the web, and then you can insert them in here. So guys, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna come back when I've got all of my images added in here. Okay. Hey, we're back. Okay, so let me just point this out. When you go to insert more pictures, okay, pretend I wanted it. Suppose I wanted to insert this one. I'm going to click on insert. Okay, it's going to seem like it was not inserted. Okay, but guys, it is down here off of the page. If you click down here, okay, boom, it shows up with a blue outline. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this option, which is break text. So right here is inline, wrap text, or break text. I'm going to break text, and I'm going to resize it like this. Okay, notice how I've got these ones all kind of they're kind of lined up, kind of resized. So I'm going to put this one right here in the middle. Okay, kind of like that. Boom. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. All right. Now the last thing to do is to type out your title. Okay. It's right up. Your cursor should be right up here in the top left corner. what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it bigger. So I have approximately a couple of inches of white space up here, which is fine. That's where we're going to put our title. But I'm going to zoom back in here just a little bit. 75%. I'm going to choose a bigger text. I'm going to go to about 48. Okay. I'm going to give myself actually just a little bit of margin right here. Do you see what I'm doing? I click and hold in this ruler and I drag it down, and it kind of moves this down. Now I can move all of these up if I wanted to. I'm gonna put that. Yep. Okay, just like this, like that. Okay. And let's just stretch these out a little bit right here. I'm gonna have to move me again over there. Just stretch these out just a little bit, and finally, nope. Control Z, undo. Let's see, let's bring that one back here like that. Just fiddle with it a little bit. Okay, now I've got my title up here. I'm going to choose a different font for it like that. And I'm going to center it in the page, on the page. I'm going to type in vacation with, and then you can type the name of your family, a family member or a friend that would want to go on this vacation with. So here's an example. I'm going to go on vacation with my best friend Paul to Las Vegas. This is one I did last year. So vacation with, and then let's see. I'm going to go on vacation with Paul again. He and I are going to go up to Alaska. Okay, so this is what it should look like. This is the completed assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to go to, let's see. It automatically saves, but we need to come over here to the Canvas, and we need to click on Submit Assignment. And go to your Google Drive. Go to your Google Drive and find it in here. Okay, find it in here. It should be called Word 2 with your first name, last name. Okay. If you have not linked up your Google Drive yet to Canvas, it's super easy. There's going to be a button down here. It doesn't work for me because this is a test account, but there's going to be a button down here that says authorize or something. It's going to take you away from Canvas for a minute over to Google, and you're going to log in. Well, you're already logged in, but it will have you select your student email, and then, or whatever email you're signed in with, and then it will ask you if you want to authorize. Go ahead and click that, and then it should send you back here, and it should show your list of files. You'll only have to do that once. Okay, you'll only have to do that once. Again, please let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.